407 years ago, our fathers brought forth upon this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal.
Hey Jen, so welcome back to my channel. And I was gonna do like a get ready with me for 4th of July, but I was just chilling in my bed since like 7, 8 until like 12 or 1, so I needed to get my day started. And so right now I'm just lifting, trying to figure out my day. I really want to watch fireworks, but my boyfriend has to work, unfortunately, so hopefully he's gonna be able to meet me there. I think my mom's coming too, so we can all watch fireworks. And yeah, if you can hear that, that is my car. This is from the stupid accident that happened yesterday, or supposed, well, almost accident, but yeah, it like squeaks really bad. And I feel like nervous trying to pick up people with it, but it's whatever. And yeah, so I'm just lifting right now, trying to make some moolah and chilling basically. I have a blanket in the back and I have some water in the back, so if we do go see fireworks, I'm gonna lay down and try to get the best spot, which is like under the where they block off, and where they block off is like the closest to where the fireworks are, so I can just lay under and then watch the fireworks happen. Hopefully I can capture that for you, and yeah, just go ahead and take a drive along with me. So I'll see y'all later.
That's a real one in your reflection without a follow.
Are you for it? There we go. Okay.
Ride with the mob, hamdulillah. Check in with me and do your job. Erg is the name, Bimbola did the chain. Torn off for the watch, President James.
Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes Linka feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria. Mama see me all BT and start tearing up. I'ma start killing niggas, how you get that tripe? I attended Harlem picnics where you risk your life. Uncle, you
hopefully we'll be able to walk there, find a spot. Hopefully my boyfriend will, you know, want to actually go up there, because he was complaining that he didn't want to, you know, be stuck in all the traffic. But there's going to be traffic either way, no matter what.
In 1,000 feet,
So
continue straight to stay on South Independence Boulevard.
that is, you know, it's just going to happen. It's going to happen. And that he'll be able to just walk up there, because it's really not that's serious. It'll be like another hour. It'll be like another hour to like fireworks start, because I have my blanket in the back and I want to be right up under the fireworks so I can lay down and watch fireworks. So I'm excited, and I hope he can you know, just be there, you know. So I'll see y'all a little bit. What do you wanna do?
I used to love you, need you. Girl, it's on my back, I'ma keep you. In the back, cheaper. Living lavish, so get your
Feet up, better man a cup. I'll probably show you love.
I be feeling like the man when I walk through. I ain't stunned what you saying when I walk through. I got all these people there when I walk through. How to make you feel bad when I walk through. Watch me walk through.
Watch me, let me walk through. So I knew I should have got here earlier. They started blocking off the roads. We can't turn left. We can't turn around on the other side. And we're supposed to be going near the trash more. Like, I knew I should have just been here earlier. But it's cool. It's cool.
Finale started.
What's the best part?
It's all right. I'm just saying, a finale, 5 seconds of my life over.
Puppies. Hey, puppy. Hi, Cece. Hi, baby. Puppy. How you doing, baby? How you doing, baby? Ew! Of course. Anything you want, just to put a smile on you, to say you have it all. But I wanna give it to you, gold jewelry shining so bright, shopping, shopping. And you got that. No.
It's okay. I don't want the light shining all up on me.
So we're here. Can't see us because we black, but we're here about to watch fireworks, see the scenery.
The men who died, who gave that right to me.
This land is your land, this land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me.
You're like, there's the Y.